beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do like, share, give this video a thumbs up, comment to get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is Dara family. My name is Chidera, a Nigerian mom YouTuber based here in Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. I'm a mom of two. Guys, I'm heading out. This is almost 5 o'clock, 7 minutes to 5. My baby girl is back from school. They started the exam today, and she has cough, severe cough. We couldn't sleep last night. I wouldn't have allowed her to go to school today, but because of the exams, so I had to. I don't have any other choice. So, and it's still raining. I'll be going out. I'll be heading out now. So I'll be going with my umbrella. Let me go get her and drugs at the pharmacy at Aroma, close to Amako. So they sell cheaper. They even supply to hospitals. So I prefer going there to get my drugs because one is original, two is cheaper. So let me take you guys. Let me show you guys my boy. I'll be leaving him. See this one now. He's lying down. Papa, Papa, Papa. I'm coming, Okay guys, see, it's still raining. It's raining. It's really fun. Evening dear, welcome. So guys, see this it's still neat too. But I'll still have to repack it during my baby girl's graduation. Actually, I wanted to lose this cell, but because their graduation is fast approaching, give or take 2 to 3 weeks from now, they will be closing officially for the term, for the academic section. Then they'll be resuming for another section by September. So guys, because I wanted to lose this hair by ending of this month, and the graduation is also happening this month, so no need. I have to repack this hair, carry it again for like extra 3 weeks after repacking. But see now, see the hair is still neat. But before the graduation, I think it will get a bit older. I'll still go back there to repack it because I'm not ready to make it. I don't have money, seriously. Extension is very expensive, like attachment is super expensive now, right now. The luck that I have is that one big pack of extension that I got for my baby girl, I just took out a little and I make the hair by myself, so I have to manage. So it's still full and bigger. She'll be making use of the attachment for her graduation hair, and she has beads. And she even have a dress that she hasn't worn. You see, I will just, I don't have to bother myself for her. Just for me to make the hair by myself, I'll send her to someone that will make the hair, for her not to disturb that much, to get the exact style that I want. Then she has clothes, a dress. There's this particular dress that I sew for her, but she hasn't actually worn the dress. So she'll wear the dress on her graduation, on their graduation day, with her shoe. Then I'll look for a way to fix myself. It's not easy, but it's well. It is what it is. Let me just head straight to the pharmacy and get her the drugs. The drug that she needs. Actually, it's just a drug. It's for both cold and the rest. But that's the drug that they normally give me whenever she have cold. Whenever she has cough and catarrh, they'll give me the drug at the hospital or in the hospital. Since I already know the drug, let me go get it for her myself. Then if I give her the drugs and the cough persists, I can actually take her to the hospital. But if I give her the drugs within 3 days and it subsides and she feels better, I will leave her till school closes. Then we'll go for our normal routine checkup. Okay guys, come along with me. Come along with me. See, with this my voice, if I should start singing, I'm heading nowhere. Good evening. Well, okay guys, let me just speak to someone. I wanted to do this thing last week, but I wasn't chance. Okay, guys, I'm here. Good evening. We go eat was it from my son? Okay. Okay, guys, they have it. They have the drug that I came to buy. They give me a receipt for me to go pay. This place is so big, though. See, these are all drugs. See, so big. I don't want to turn the camera around because there are people at my back and at my side, so it won't be capturing their faces. So that not everybody wants their face to be captured, so I have to be really careful. Guys, I'm leaving. Aroma. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm bored, you know.